Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. I have a quick question. By the way, the afternoon is beautiful. It's not as cold as it used to be. But my question is, what are your 6 months goal? What is your 6 months goal? Another way of asking it is, in 6 months, about how much do you think you're going to be making? Is it the same amount of money a month? Doesn't matter what it is. Or do you think you can make 20% more or 30% more money at the end of the month in 6 months, or 40% more? Or do you think you make less? Do you have any plans of increasing your income? Do you have any passive income you're thinking about for this 2025? Side hustle, whatever you call it. You want to call it side hustle or passive income? That's a quick question for you. But I just want to know your 6 months goal. What's your 6 months goal? What do you think you can achieve in the next 6 months? Well, that's the question. Just want to know. And by the way, I have a premiere by 6 p.m. in the next 1.5 hours. So please join my YouTube premiere. 6 p.m. join my YouTube channel, Roxana Ezenekwe. I'll see you there on Facebook or YouTube. But bear in mind that I'm discussing passive income for 2025. So the premiere is going to be passive income for 2025. What are you thinking about? That's a whole lot of them. I'm discussing a whole lot of them. I have a book coming out very soon, and it's going to discuss passive income. But I want us to be thinking ahead of the book coming out. This is going to be my third book for the year, but what are your plans? How do you try to improve yourself in the next 6 months? Another question that is about the same thing is, who are your friends? Who are your friends? Remember, if you are friends with 6 people, then wherever they're going to be in 6 months, that's where you're going to be. Where they will be is where you will be. So make sure your friends are the ones that pull you up, friends that lift you up. All right, so that was my question for the day. That was my question. I came here to pick up something from the store. So I said I will ask you a quick question. You have a great day. By the way,